In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Snapchat ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a copy of an existing campaign, adjust the details you need, and publish it without starting from scratch. First, open your browser and search for Snapchat ads. This is the quickest way to get to the official ads manager if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Snapchat business page that leads to Ads Manager. It should clearly reference Snapchat ads and the business site. Avoid any third-party links so you land in the right place. Once you're on the official page, click Log In. Sign in with your Snapchat business credentials and, if prompted, select the correct ad account. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're entering the one where the original campaign lives. After you're in, head to the top left and click the business menu. From there, select Manage Ads. This takes you to Ads Manager, where you can view all your campaigns. Give the page a moment to load so all your campaign data appears correctly. Now find the campaign you want to copy. Use the search bar or filters if you have a long list. When you locate it, check the box next to its name. Selecting the checkbox activates a contextual toolbar, so make sure it's the correct campaign before continuing. You'll see a menu bar appear either at the bottom or the top of the screen, depending on your layout. In that menu, click the Clone button. It may be labeled Clone or show an icon with overlapping squares. Clicking it will create an exact duplicate of your selected campaign. The duplicated campaign will appear as a draft and usually opens in a new tab or pane for editing. This is where you can safely make changes without affecting the original. Review your targeting to ensure it matches your new goals or audience tests. Adjust your budget if you're scaling up or running a smaller experiment. Then review your creative, ad formats, captions, and media to confirm everything is relevant for this duplicate. If you're running time-sensitive promotions, also verify start and end dates so you don't overspend or miss your window. When everything looks good, click Publish campaign to set it live. The system may run quick checks before launch. If you see any messages, fix the highlighted fields and publish again. That's it. Your duplicated Snapchat ads campaign is now ready to go, saving you time while preserving your proven setup.